welcome to Plaza Medical Laboratories. My name is Patrick Wandera. I'm the CEO of Plaza Medical Laboratories. Plaza Medical Laboratories is a private laboratory located in Bungoma Town. In our laboratory, we run so many specialized and routine medical tests. So in the process of wanting to equip our laboratory well, we opted to look for a hematology analyzer, which is a very important machine in any good laboratory. Luckily enough, we found one with Intermedica Ltd company. This is a company from Nairobi that deals in medical equipment. So when we talked to them, they sent their representative to our facility, and when he came, he gave us two options how we could acquire that hematology analyzer. So the first option was of course to pay cash, and then the second option was on a lease agreement. So we opted for the second option, which was a lease agreement, because we did not have all the cash. So on the lease agreement, it was so friendly in that we were allowed to pay a monthly deposit as we use the machine. And that was quite easy for us, because we could afford the amount that they required for us to be paying monthly as we use the machine. And on top of the lease agreement, the duration of the lease agreement also came with other goodies, like the provision of all the reagents that we required for the time that the lease agreement was running up to the end. And these reagents came also with the controls. So for any good laboratory, you must have the controls to ensure that your quality controls are in place, right, and therefore the results that you are giving out to the patients are the right results. So the lease agreement was so good for us, because we could manage to service the monthly payment, and on top of that, we could also make our profits going forward. So, and Intermedica also provided us with the technical know-how, in that they also provided us with their engineer, who are coming to service this machine after every 3 months. So they have been servicing the machine, and every time they come, the machine has been working very efficiently, but they are always on call. Anytime you have any challenge with the machine, call them and you will get the service required in time. So I want to thank Intermedica so much for that arrangement. And on top of that, they also introduced a quality control assurance system, whereby we could compare our results with other internationally recognized laboratories, which are also on their platform. So they introduced a software to our lab called Strek, which also compares your quality control assurance with the labs that have that facility, both locally and internationally. So I want to thank Intermedica so much for the offer, which is really so helpful to upcoming medical laboratories and those labs that really want to get quality assurance for their clients. Go to Intermedica. Their products are so good. Ever since we started using this hematology analyzer, it has never broken down. It gives us very good service, and every time we run our controls, many times they are within the normal acceptable range. So I really want to thank Intermedica for that offer, and I encourage so many other labs to get in touch with Intermedica and talk to them. They have so many good offers on board. Thank you so much.